Hey, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to make your own hand sanitizer. There is a shortage right now, so it's always good to know how to make your own. I am very fortunate to have a household where we grow plants everywhere, and therefore we have aloe vera plants nearly everywhere, and so I can go to my yard and just pick out a leaf. Now if you don't have an aloe vera plant, I know that some people do sell aloe vera gel a bit everywhere, so you can buy that. Now we are going to go to the kitchen and I'm going to clean off the skin from the aloe vera plant. I would recommend gloves, but by this point I'm already used to it. Though if you do want to make a whole ton of hand sanitizer, I would recommend you to use gloves. Just because it does, well, the skin really does irritate your skin and you might see a bit of redness on your skin. Now, as you can see, it's really sticky, but that's exactly what you want because the alcohol that we'll be using will really dehydrate your skin. So a bit of moisture will do exactly what you want. It is quite tedious, but I mean, you just have to do it if you want hand sanitizer. After that, I blitzed it, and as you can see, there is a bit of froth on top. You would have to wait for the froth to come down, the bubbles need to come down, and then you'll see how much of aloe vera gel you actually made. At the start, you might think that you made a lot, but in reality, there isn't that much. After that process, I decided to filter it out with a tea strainer, but I would recommend you to use a cheesecloth. In my opinion, it's the best way to filter out the gel from the little particles, but I thought that that was good enough. After that, now this is the important part, the ratio. So it's 1 cup of aloe vera gel to 3 cups of alcohol. If you don't do exactly like the ratio is being put out, then the mixture is either going to be too harsh on your hands and you would have your skin cracking, or your mixture is not going to be harsh enough to kill germs and bacteria and the potential virus that you may have caught by touching surfaces. So do pay attention to the ratio. After that, just mix up the mixture together. Add a few drops of essential oils. I used about 10 drops of tea tree oil and about 15 drops of peppermint, just to somewhat camouflage the scent of alcohol. So I hope you like this video. It's really helpful for the people that have or need hand sanitizer but just can't find it anywhere. So yeah, there you go. I hope you liked it and I hope you subscribe. See ya! So this is what you get at the end. If you add just the right amount of essential oils, it smells good enough to put on your hands. Right now in this time, smelling good or your hands smelling good is not the priority. The good thing is that it just works. So yeah, it looks like this. It feels exactly like hand sanitizer, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It feels exactly like hand sanitizer, and he's even gonna show you. So it goes on like hand sanitizer, and when you rub it in, the good thing is that it's not like all the other hand sanitizers where everything just evaporates super quickly, so you can't even disinfect the back of your hands and in between your fingers. So yeah, don't forget to put it on your nails, because your nails always do have bacteria and could potentially have the virus on it. So yeah, thank you!